Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to customize a Gumroad checkout page. So at first guys, just go with the Gumroad.com website and log in with your account, and then go and click on the dashboard optional button that's located at the top right corner of the page, and then go with products right here and select the product you want to customize. So for example, I will go with the first one here, and just right here guys, you will need to add a cover and a thumbnail. So the thumbnail is the photo that will be visible to the customers on the checkout field, and the product's info is also the additional details, okay, and the price. All right. So as I told you, we'll need to add a logo on the thumbnail. So just upload your logo right here, okay? And so buyers see it on the checkout page, as I told you, and the cover image, set a product's image or banner at the top, and then just go to the content section or content tab. So this is one of the checkout pages. So just go with upload files. So here you can upload the headlines and descriptions, so you can edit the title and short descriptions to brief your buyers, and also you can collect extra infos from your customers. So you can add an email field, shipping address, and custom questions like size preference or notes. So you will need just to upload the files, or just go and type the content just right here, okay? And once finished, just go with publish and continue, save changes, and go to the checkout page, okay? So right here, go with checkout form and check how it looks like. So you will need just to see right here on the preview, okay? So you can apply discounts, add some custom fields recommend the other products or not. Even you can allow the tipping from the customers. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.